friends. Hello. Welcome to the greatest moments of my life. These are the times that I relish. I change the world not by what I do. There's a nice birdie standing right next to you on the camera. I've been feeding them watermelon and grapes. I can imagine there he is, ready to eat more of my food. You can imagine why I am so peaceful and content during these times, which carry over into my day-to-day life. But it's absolutely imperative that I take this time for myself to do the things that I enjoy, that give me deep peace. More than anything else, that is what I like to share. More than anything else, I believe that that is the most beneficial. Creating a healthy body is very, well, I won't say very, very easy. It's easy to understand how to keep our bodies healthy. Sometimes we let them go so far and we go to the brink that it becomes somewhat of a challenge to return back to a healthy state. But it is not impossible. The laws of nature are quite simple to observe. Mankind has tried to dominate his own mother. He's quite sadistic in that sense, is he not? She nurtures us. She cares for us. She loves us unconditionally, and she is always waiting for our return. Return to nature to find the answers to issues that arise within the health of the body. Return to her ways. Find her healing water and soak in there, and all the weight of the problem of the world disappear in her buoyancy. Spend time in the light of the sun, for the light that makes the shining of the sun is the light that makes the shining of your life. The energy of the sun is the energy of your life. Spend time in the sun. I will share with you right now a great gift. I will show you the beauty of these times that I share with you today. I've got a plastic bag over the top of the, now you're going through all that trying to protect it from the rain. I will remove it so that I can make sure that you get to bear witness to a great joy of mine. Let me share with you a great friend. Please be patient while my friend studies me and joins me in one moment. Can you see now how one could be so filled with joy and the electricity when my friends come to eat with me the bounty of nature, and the birds that can see that I wish them no harm simply by emanating an energy field of love and oneness with them? Come, my friend, eat the grape from my hand. There is nothing to fear. Nature has your best interest at heart, return to her to find your healing. It is so simple. When the ego gets involved and money wants to be exchanged, and power and status have overtaken and drowned out the heart, we get confusion and insanity. We don't need it. Maybe these guys never land on the hand, but today perhaps a robin will land on the hand, which is an absolute miracle and is a rarity. He is having a challenging time with his own inner personality. If a blue jay were to land on my hand today, it would be an absolute miracle. My friends, you just witnessed a miracle that I have never been able to see in my own lifetime. For the blue jays do not land on the hands of the humans. But as you just saw, a blue jay landed on my hand, and I am filled with a bliss right now that is so silent and subtle, because in all my years in the woods, I have never been able to have a blue jay land on my hand like it just did. And I am awestruck, and yet I am focused on sharing my love with you, my peace with you. I must continue to feed my friends the birds. Yes, peace. It's already inside of you. It's the natural result when truth prevails. We are the children of the light. We are God's children. Perhaps again, we will see another miracle. Wow. This is an absolutely amazing day for me right now. Obviously, this video went a different course after my friends joined me, but I only wanted to share with you that the food and the healing of the human organism is a great joy and gift that we give ourselves. But my friends, when we can take the time and have the courage to cultivate love for ourselves, when we do that and when we can accept ourselves with all our mistakes and all our flaws, which are only an illusion anyways, then, my friends, it becomes easy and possible to love others. And when you love yourself, and the process begins for you to start loving others unconditionally, then you'll see that each day gets better and better and better. And as you give more of your heart, the feelings well up, sometimes so big that you become so aware of what life is really about. It's about, I won't say what life is about because that would be ignorance on my part, but at this time I am only looking for ways to give more, because I have only had the smallest taste of what it's like to give away my gifts. So I encourage you to seek out your gifts. I have asked myself the question time and time again, what is my gift? What is my purpose? And I believe that it has been slowly revealed to me. It is my honest hope and prayer that you would find your gift, that you would share that with the world, and that you would find love and health of the body and unconditional love of the heart, which leads to total peace of mind. And with that, I leave you with total peace of mind.